Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 key cover. Start by removing the emergency key and gently prying the old cover apart with a small flat tool. Keep the transponder and battery secure while you work and note the orientation of internal parts. Fit the new cover by aligning tabs and snapping halves together until they click. Test the key buttons and ensure the emergency key locks and releases smoothly before finishing. Begin by pressing the emergency key release and sliding out the metal blade, then set it aside. Use a thin flat tool to work the seam open, applying even pressure to avoid cracking plastic. Once open, remove the battery and transponder and place them on a soft cloth. Take note of battery orientation and transponder position so reassembly goes smoothly. Keep small parts together to prevent loss and maintain their original layout. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your Fiat smelling great while you work. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Position the transponder and battery into the replacement cover matching their original alignment, then gently bring the halves together. Press along the seam evenly to secure tabs and listen for distinct clicks that confirm a full fit. Reinsert the emergency key and verify smooth release and retraction. Test remote functions from a short distance and press every button to confirm contact. If something feels loose, reopen and reseat components before sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.